Well, it's 10 minutes till 12, so it's technically nearly not the morning anymore, but I have had my breakfast. We had like a kind of a fry up this morning. We had sausages, flat sausages and normal sausages, and then the flat potato things, I forgot what they're called, but I love them. They are the best. But today I'm going to be doing, if I can have the motivation, I've already started it, is a deep clean, and I know how much you guys love watching these videos. They always do well lately, so I thought I'd film it. The main reason why I'm doing this is because I don't know where my Harry Styles jumper has gone. I know it's in the house. Like, the only time that I've worn it outside is when I walk dogs, and even then I've came inside and taken it off. So I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna pretty much just stay in my jammies for now because I wanna just deep clean, and there's no point going to like bottoms and changing and then I'll probably not have the motivation. So let's get back to cleaning. Also, this is the first vlog with my new iPad. It is ginormous. I have got one of these like proper like hard cases because it is a massive iPad. I will not drop it, but just in case, literally just in case. But this one has a strap and it like spins around as well. Wait. So I can vlog, if I really wanted to, I can vlog like this. It would be so cool. But this is the iPad. I can't find my TV remote right now because of the mess here, but I need to try on some jeans to see what ones fit me and what ones don't. And if you used to be like me, this is your little reminder. Chuck away the jeans that don't fit you. Even if you think you're ever going to fit into them, you're most likely not. Not to be nasty, but you're probably not going to. Because if you're like me, when I do lose a bit of weight, yes, I can lose weight on my belly. But most of it, I lose weight on my belly. But because I'm working out, my muscles get bigger. So even if my belly, I always have the issue of my belly is actually bigger than my weight. My belly is actually smaller than my waist. So this bit is always going to be a bit bigger. Obviously in these jeans it's not, but that's my issue. So even if it's big on my belly, it most likely will fit on my hips. I'm going to keep these ones because I had them in that drawer there and I always forget things, so that's why I'm clearing it all out, because I really never go in there unless it's like for things like this. I really don't go in there, so I really need to sort out my jeans and my smart trousers and everything. I'm getting rid of this one and I'm keeping this one, but I don't know yet if I'm going to keep this. But this is like way too big. It's pretty much 4 o'clock now. I just relaxed for 3 hours, but oh well. It was mainly to have lunch and I ordered a Starbucks. I had a waffle chocolate frappe thing, and I found my hoodie, my Harry Styles hoodie. It was behind one of the sofas, so it must have fell one time when I cleaned it off, and I've just remembered it now. So this is pretty much the reason why I should tidy my room, because I lose things. So we're gonna continue. It still looks a mess, but we're gonna do the jumpers and then we're gonna do the surroundings of my room And then I'm going to probably do the wardrobe, even though I will probably not chuck out anything. But we're going to do it anyway. Also, while tidying my room, I'm going to try these. Let me know in the comments if you've tried them before. I saw them in Tesco's yesterday, so I grabbed 2 bags. And I'm going to try some right now. Why does cleaning your room tire you out so much? Or is it just me? The last thing I need to do is my desk. And I would like to wipe down the surfaces as well. But I have no energy. But I literally just need to do that. And then the next vlog will probably be me doing what's on my iPad Pro, or decorate for autumn with me, or another video, maybe, pre-mark autumn, come shopping with me. I don't know yet. I am thinking about going to the shops tomorrow, but I don't know yet if I feel up to it, or if I could just wait till I next get paid. But let's do the desk because I need to finish it. I could just sit around, but technically my room is not as tidy as it can be, but it is tidy. It's better than it used to be. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this deep clean with me. In the end, I technically didn't need to do this because my Harry Styles hoodie was behind the sofa, but at least I cleaned my room and it's tidy now. And now when I get to doing my autumn bedding and decorating for autumn, I don't need to proper deep clean. So that video will be coming out in the next 2 weeks or so. Probably sooner than 2 weeks, but a rough estimate. I've got a lot of content that I want to film. I want to film update, working in retail for a year update with cerebral palsy and a learning disability. I want to film what's on my iPad Pro. I always forget to say that. and obviously the autumn decorate with me. And also coming into autumn, you've got all the exciting autumn videos as well, being in like the autumn pre-mark come shopping with me, probably another autumn come to B&M with me, and obviously after autumn we go into Christmas. Relating to Christmas, I don't know if I'm going to be doing Vlogmas yet. I'll be uploading more than I normally would, but I don't know if I will be doing Vlogmas. But I am excited because I feel like my content just gets better and better when it comes out of the summer. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you later. Bye!